Good morning and welcome back to quite a cold morning this morning. As you can see, I'm not really doing a lot. I currently should be almost to my destination, which would have been Middlesbrough. I was driving up there this morning, but as you can see, that's not happening. So set the scene. I woke up this morning just before 4 o'clock, got myself up, got myself ready, got into the van, started it, and then just as I tried to pull out of where I'm parked, wouldn't move. I'm just like, have I left the handbrake on? Like, what have I done here? So I tried again. It sort of inched forward and I was like, this doesn't feel right. So I got out of the van, and this is what I've been greeted with: a flat tyre. ×2. The driver's side's fine, but the passenger side, where it's obviously a little bit more discreet, my tyres have been done. So hopefully, hang on, there you can see that, someone has stuck a knife through my tyre. I think there's another one around here somewhere. There's one right there as well. But this morning at 4 o'clock when I seen that, I was just like, what? Because all I could see was that one. And I was just like, oh, have I like banged the curb or done? So I didn't quite park like this, because obviously I pulled forward and then pulled it back. I was like, have I like burst? And I was like, well, I couldn't have done both, surely. So a few hours later I came back out and had another look. And hopefully, yeah, you can just about see there. I don't know if it's any more anywhere on this, but yeah, someone slashed both my tyres. So yeah, wasn't quite expecting that this morning at 4 o'clock. As you can imagine, I wasn't very happy about it. If you're not already following me on Instagram, go over, watch me on Instagram. It's a little less PG, but I did document everything that was happening. Yeah, good fun. So I'm currently stranded here and not in Middlesbrough, where I should be, but never mind, these things happen. I'll gonna put the camera down once something actually happens and I've got an update for you. I'll pick the camera up and we'll carry on the day and see what happens. So see you in a mo. Oh, hi, me again. So thought I'd give a little bit of an update since the last time you see me. It's a couple of hours later. Obviously I haven't gone anywhere because I am completely unable to, but luckily enough, Di was coming this direction in the truck. He had to do something, so he's not going to be massively far away from where I am now, and he's going to come and pick me in the van up. Then we're going to go back to the workshop, swap these wheels out, and yeah, try and figure out something to do with this issue that we now have. Oh, what an absolute awesome morning. If I was able to have left when I was planning on leaving, I'd probably have been up there. What's the time? Probably would have been up there and most of the way back by now. But instead, I have moved all of about an inch. So that went well. But hopefully we can get it all sorted out and I'll go tomorrow. So that's the new plan. Not quite how I expected my day to go. Anyway, I'm going to wait for Di to get here. Once he gets here, I'll fill you in on what's happening next. Not too sure how we're going to get it on the truck, to be fair, because it's quite a tight rope. Anyway, we'll deal with that in a bit, so see you in a mo. I've got a fun update. Dynamo's arrived. So we're going to get this on the truck. Also, I had to reverse back, and it wasn't very good fun. Wish us luck. Here we go, I'm back again. All up on the truck. Back in the garage. Mr. Dynamo to the rescue.
Yep.
Like always. Horrible. Why did they need to go and do that? No need. But she's here now. Unload her. Problem solved.
Gonna have them.
Anyway, let's get this thing unloaded and try and figure something out. Let's try and salvage something from the day, shall we? So, let's get this off.
All yours, bud.
Whoop whoop!
Yeah, still fucked. Boy. Oh, if you didn't want to get his wheels, you should have just said.
Well, I've got no idea what's actually been filmed and what's not, but my van's not here. Mr. Dynamo's took it. We were looking at putting a set of them on it, but they don't seem to be sealing very well. So we're not. And now, Mr. Jonathan is going to do some washathy. Going to do some things and stuff. What a very random day today's been, eh? Yeah. Fun and games. Can't all be roses and sunshine, but we're gonna wash this van anyway while Di's going, and then I think we've got to go and do some more adventures in the truck. So we're gonna do this, and I'll see you in a mo. And welcome back. Today's been a fun old day, innit? It's not even finished yet. I can't remember what I showed, if I'm gonna be completely honest, but ended up getting 2 new tyres put onto the original wheels. Was going to completely change the wheels over, but it was just as easy to put 2 new tyres on the wheels that were already on it instead of messing about. Didn't help that the wheels we were going to put on, I think the bead wasn't quite sat properly, but I don't know. So much has happened today, I can't really remember what's I've said, what I've shown and what I haven't done. We did wash that grey and white van. That come up lovely. Yeah, today's been a fun old day. And then Di just said to me that we need to go pick up another van now. So I've got to go take this van, park it up, get in the truck, and then we've got to go pick up another van and take that back to the workshop. Fair play, they've got a lot of vans over there at the minute. They are very busy boys. If you're not already following them, go over, there's a link down in the description for their Facebook page. Go over, give their page a like, go show them some support. They're very nice blokes. Without them, I would not be doing this right now, so a massive thank you goes out to them. But yeah, if you could go over onto Facebook and like their Facebook page, I would be very thankful. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on. I got to go over. Oh, I was going to sneeze then. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on. I'm going to go meet Di and go and pick up another van. So I'll pick this camera up at some point when we get up to something. So see you in a moment.